I'm a big fan of this mantra, and that is whenever I feel stressed about something or someone, I exercise the 5-minute 1-year rule. And that is, if that thing will be forgotten in 1 year's time anyway, it is not worth the thinking. I will only spend a few minutes, maybe 5, maybe 10, but I will not invest more emotions when I know that it will be forgotten anyway. If that person is renting space in your head and they're not paying for rent, you evict them. Right? Them or whatever it is. Because that space is worth for something else. Depression or anxiety or mental unwellness is the result of playing around with the same thought for too long, thinking that it will never be right, and it's because of you. You have to let it go. And that's connected to the rest we've talked about a while ago.